Hey there, keto enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the future of keto dieting with KetoFlow.ai. It's the first ever AI-powered keto diet assistant, and we're going to explore its key features, usability, and how it can transform your keto journey. First things first, let's talk about the power of AI in keto dieting. Imagine having a personal keto assistant that caters to your unique needs, guides your meal planning, and adjusts in real time. That's what KetoFlow.ai promises. KetoFlow.ai starts by analyzing your dietary preferences, health goals, and body composition. This leads to customized meal plans tailored to your needs. Say goodbye to generic meal suggestions. Your meals are as unique as you are. Wondering if you've exceeded your carb limit? KetoFlow.ai provides real-time nutritional guidance, tracking your macros and ensuring you stay within your keto limits. It will even send alerts and suggestions to keep you on track. KetoFlow.ai never leaves you without keto recipe ideas. It generates intelligent suggestions based on your taste preferences and available ingredients, making your keto meals delicious and diverse. Creating a shopping list has never been easier. KetoFlow.ai generates a comprehensive grocery list based on your meal plans, making sure you have all the keto-friendly ingredients you need for your recipes. With detailed journey insights into your weight loss, body measurements, and overall health improvements, you can visualize your achievements and stay motivated on your keto. And if you ever have questions or need motivation, KetoFlow.ai offers round-the-clock assistance. It's like having a keto coach in your pocket. What really sets KetoFlow.ai apart is its precision and personalization. It doesn't offer one-size-fits-all solutions. It understands that every body is different, tailoring your keto experience to your specific needs and goals. No need to be a tech whiz. KetoFlow.ai's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned keto enthusiast. As you progress on your keto journey, the AI algorithms adjust, providing you with increasingly accurate recommendations and insights. It learns and adapts alongside you. For those who want to understand the science behind keto or explore keto-friendly substitutes, KetoFlow.ai offers a robust knowledge base to educate you and empower you to make informed decisions. In conclusion, KetoFlow.ai offers a promising and innovative approach to keto dieting. It combines personalization, real-time guidance, and continuous support to make your keto journey smoother and more effective. It's not just a diet, it's a transformative journey guided by cutting-edge technology. If you're interested in giving KetoFlow.ai a try, make sure to visit their official website to learn more and assess if it aligns with your keto goals. And as always, before starting any new diet, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure your individual health and wellness goals.